Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Loop Tech, your one-stop channel for all things tech. I'm your host, Ratten Ramen, and today we're diving into one of the most anticipated events of the year. That's right, folks. It's almost iPhone season. The iPhone 16 is on the horizon, and if you're anything like me, you're already buzzing with excitement. So the big question is, when is the iPhone 16 event happening? And what can we expect from Apple this time around? Let's get into it. Now let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Over the past 3 years, Apple has been pretty consistent with their iPhone launch dates. In 2021, the event took place on Tuesday, September 14. In 2022, it was on Wednesday, September 7, and last year they stuck with Tuesday, September 12. Notice a pattern? Yep, Apple seems to have a thing for Tuesdays and sometimes Wednesdays, depending on when Labor Day falls. Here's a little fun fact. Labor Day in the US always falls on the first Monday of September, and Apple likes to give us a bit of breathing room after that holiday before dropping the big news. For instance, last year's event was 8 days after Labor Day, giving us all time to shake off the holiday vibes and get back into the swing of things. So what does that mean for 2024? Well, this year Labor Day is super early September 2 to be exact. That means the chances of Apple holding the event in the first week of September are pretty slim. Schools are just starting up, vacations are winding down. It's just not the ideal time to grab everyone's attention. With all this in mind, the most likely date for the iPhone 16 event is, drumroll please, Tuesday, September 10. Mark your calendars, because this is when we expect Tim Cook and the Apple crew to take the stage and unveil the iPhone 16. But wait, there's more. What about the actual release date? If Apple sticks to their usual schedule, we can expect pre-orders to go live on Friday, September 13, lucky for some. And just a week later, on Friday, September 20, the iPhone 16 could be in your hands. How awesome is that? Now let's talk about what's got everyone buzzing the features. The rumor mill is churning with whispers of stunning new color options, major camera upgrades, bigger screens for the Pro models, and so much more. Honestly, I can't wait to see what Apple has up its sleeve this time. So, what are you most excited about? Are you ready to upgrade to the iPhone 16? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're looking forward to the most. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming iPhone 16 coverage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and stay tech savvy.